target bidding. So this can be same as, okay, let's discuss this after. Let's see how a firm can use call option to hedge the target bidding. So Kelly Company is an MNC based in Port, I don't know how to pronounce, Lauderdale. Okay, that has bid on a project sponsored by the Canadian government. So if the bid is accepted, Kelly will need approximately 500,000 Canadian dollar to purchase Canadian material. So isn't it similarly like payables? Because they need to pay, if the bid is accepted, they need to pay $500,000 to purchase the material. All right. So, however, Kelly will not know whether the bid is accepted until 3 months from now. In this case, so they have 3 months margin. If the bid is accepted, they need to pay $500,000. So, is it like, so this is like payables. So, how we hedge our payables? Through buying call option. Okay. But in this case, you can also buy future and forward, but remember, future and forward are obligations. If the bid is not accepted, then it means they can cancel the future and forward? No. In that case, they must transfer, or they must buy 500,000 from seller. So in that case, the appropriate strategy is to buy call option. So in this case, it can purchase call option with a 3-month expiration date. So see, purchase call option. So remember, so okay, 10 call options contract would cover the entire amount, which means they are purchasing options through exchange, in which one contract is equal to 50,000 Canadian dollars. So how much they need to purchase? 10 contracts in order to get 500,000. So 10 contracts is equal to 10 multiplied by one contract is 50,000 Canadian dollars. So that is equal to $500,000. All right. So if the bid is accepted, Kelly can use the option to purchase the Canadian dollar needed. If the Canadian dollar has depreciated over time, Kelly will likely to let the option expire. If at the end of the period, 3 months, the Canadian dollar decreases, then you will let the option expire. You don't want to buy from the seller at high price. You will go to the market and buy at lower price. What if the Canadian dollar appreciated at the end? You can ask, or you can obligate the seller to sell the Canadian dollar at strike price, which is lower than the market. Okay. Same process, just a name change as target bidding. It is same as hedging payables. And now project bidding. This is also same like payables. So let's see that. So example includes Morrison Corporation is attempting to acquire a French firm and has submitted its bid in euros. Morrison has purchased call options. See, purchased call option. In this case, so these are like small examples from your book. Basically, a concept and answers. So in case of project bidding, you are also purchasing call option on the euros because it will need euros to purchase French company in stocks. The call option hedges the US firm against potential appreciation of the euro. So in any case of payables, you are worried about the appreciation of foreign currency. In this case, the foreign currency is euro. Remember, what did I tell you? If question is silent, automatically assume that you are in US. So Morrison is a US company. For US company, dollar is its home currency and euro is its foreign currency. So if their bid is successful, they need to pay euros, and they are worried about that when the bid is accepted, they need to pay euros. They are worried about appreciation of euros. So if the acquisition does not occur, the spot rate of the euro remains below the strike price. Morrison let the auction expire. Rather to transfer the obligation, they just go into a right to purchase. If their bid is not successful, they will let the option expire. So if the acquisition does not occur and the spot rate of exceed the strike price, Morrison can exercise the price, exercise the option, and sell the euros in the spot market. You can also make profit if the value of the euros goes up. You will purchase from the seller at lower price. Its strike price is lower. Sell in the market at high price. You can make some profit. Alternatively, Morrison can sell the call option it is holding. Either of these actions may offset part or all the premium paid for the option. Right? So basically, what they are trying to say, if the bid is accepted, or for example, if the call option is for 90 days and their bid is going to be announced in 30 days, you have to pay in 90 days. So here, if the call option is, if the bid is rejected, then you can take an offset position, or you can just choose not to exercise. Simple, to take offset position. By the way, why we go to offset position? If we enter into options, because we have the option to buy or not, so we let the option expire at the end. What if it is in the money? We will definitely make some profit from expiration. At the end, we will expire it. Or if you are if you don't want to do that, then take offset position, sell the call option from here. Here you are buying and here you are selling, so this offset your position as well. But in case of options, it is not necessary. Why? Because we are letting it expire or letting it exercise, because we have both options. All right. So up till now, what we have discussed, we finished the contract and we finished call options. Like forward, future can also be used for hedging purposes and for speculation purposes. Similarly, call option can also be used for hedging the payables in the form of project bidding, right? In the form of target bidding, right? In the same case, you are hedging your payables. It can also be used for speculative purposes, like I told you. Okay, if the price going up, you buy, pay the call premium, and exercise the call price. If you bet that in future the price will go up, you sell the call option because you are selling higher. Buyer will not buy from you at higher price, so he'll go to the market. So you will just receive call premium. All right. So in next class, we will learn about put option. Okay. So today's lecture is all about understanding and digesting call option first. Okay. Remember what we have discussed. There are two ways you can use call. Yes. Tiffany?
Sorry.
Okay. There are two call options you can use. Number one, as a purchase. When you purchase call option, you become buyer. and seller on the other hand gonna have obligation, and you have choice. This is the exercise price. If you have exercised your right, then seller is obligated to sell you at exercise price or strike price. What if you sell the call option in, oh, sorry about that. If you sell the call option, in that case, you become seller, then you have the obligation and you will receive call. Here's the buyer. At the end of T, he has right and choice, same at exercise price. So why you become seller? Because you expect in future the price will go down. When price will go down, buyer will buy from the market, not from you, and let the option expire. When you let the option expire, you will already get some kind of premium. You are in benefit. But if your prediction goes wrong, in the market price goes up, buyer will exercise and buyer will go after exercise price and you will lose. Okay, so that is the usage of call option. So in next class we will talk about the put option. Okay, any question? Sufyan? Lancelot, EGA, Duji, Oliver. Okay, I would be uploading this lecture, this PPT as well, and I also will be uploading the result before the next week class. Okay, so have a great day, nice weekend, see you, take care, bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye bye.